Here's the exact step-by-step blueprint you need to help you build YouTube channels quickly that generate true sustainable income like clockwork. With YouTube Empire Building, you can get results fast with no monthly fees, and it's 100% beginner friendly. How would you like to get offered $1 billion for building YouTube channels? That might seem a little far out there, and I'm by no means saying that you'll receive that offer for putting up a few videos. But that is exactly what happened to Mr. Beast. Because of the popularity of his channels, he was legitimately offered $1 billion. Then he turned down the offer as he believes it's actually worth more. YouTube is now the second largest search engine, and they'll happily pay you to build a channel on their platform, just like they're doing for others like yourself. In fact, there are so many success stories from people making income from the channels. Some go as high as in the millions, while others just make thousands. Like Alexis Eldridge, who was able to grow her income to over $3,500 a month with a small channel of subscribers. Or Wills FX, who's been able to earn between $100 and $900 per video. Or Erica Boucher, who took her passion for creating candles to YouTube and turned it into a full-time income. Or Message ASMR, who makes between $6,500 and $10,000 per month with AMSR videos. And it isn't slowing down. In fact, it's only going to increase. Ever since the pandemic, people's viewing habits online have changed. Video views are up like never before. People are consuming video content left and right, and it's only going to continue. According to the socialshepherd.com, 82% of global internet traffic in 2022 comes from video, and around 15% of millennials watch 10 to 20 hours of video online per week. And according to oberlo.com, the average consumer now spends 100 minutes per day watching video. The demand for video is increasing as 54% of consumers want to see more video content from brands they support. And video marketers get 66% more qualified leads per year from video. This is actually good news for you, as you can now be the middleman and get paid handsomely. So they need you to build on their channel in order for the model to work. For doing so, they'll happily let you share on the ad revenue while using your videos to promote other items for the monetization too. There is one problem though. YouTube has made it harder now to succeed. It used to be that anyone could start a YouTube channel, get up and running quickly and start getting paid. But since some people ended up scamming the machine, YouTube has instituted barriers. So for example, you now need a certain level of subscribers and views before you can unlock some of the benefits like monetization. Now while this is a bummer for most, it won't be for you. Thankfully, I've reversed engineered the success pattern that lets anyone get incredible results building YouTube channels. I've been in the trenches even with all the updates and changes YouTube has made. I've successfully navigated the platform and continue to get results with my channels. And in fact, I've helped others to do the same. It's not actually that challenging if you know what to do and what to look for. The problem, of course, is normally you'd have to spend weeks or even months trying to piece together the workflow that gets results on demand. Thankfully, I've already done the hard work for you and put it all together in an easy to follow step-by-step video and cheat sheet training course. Introducing the YouTube Empire Building Masterclass. It's time to start building your profitable YouTube channels in 3 simple steps. Number 1, sign up today, go through the training and create your content. Number 2, follow the step-by-step process to start getting views, traffic and subscribers. Step number 3, monetize your videos however you wish and get paid. Once you understand this formula, you will be able to build successful YouTube channels for life. You don't need to be an expert. You just follow our simple step-by-step process. I put together over 40 videos that share exactly what you need to do from this point moving forward so that your results can be practically guaranteed with nothing left out. Once you finish, you'll be a true profitable YouTube channel building machine. Please check the sales page below for the full list of what we cover in the tutorial videos. It's time to take charge of your future today. Get YouTube Empire Building right here and right now. This is the right way to kickstart your online income and build a better future. And you're covered by our 30-day refund guarantee. We're confident that you'll find massive value in YouTube Empire Building. If for any reason you don't, then simply let us know within the 30 days for a full refund with no quibbles. You also get my in-depth case study for ranking multiple videos on the first page of YouTube with a brand new channel. But you need to act now. This is a limited offer. We will be pushing the price up after the special introductory launch launch offer. So this is your chance to change your online future starting today. Remember, you can check the full details and conditions on the page below, including all the video tutorials and cheat sheets that you get. Just scroll on down and secure your copy of YouTube Empire Building today.